Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today I am going to make Betty Crocker's Reese's Muffin Mix, but I'm going to do this with a twist. Now this is going to be very good, so if you love Reese's Pieces and you love Reese's, you will love what we're going to do here today. Now the ingredients that you will need are, you will need a muffin pan, some muffin baking cups, water, vegetable oil, the Betty Crocker Reese's Muffin Mix, 1 box, 2 eggs, peanut butter, and definitely Reese Pieces, the little pieces. Now you're going to need those ingredients to make this. Now remember, we're going to put a twist on this. So the way you would make it on the back of the box is going to be pretty much the same, but we're going to do a twist to this, and I'll tell you where the twist will come when we start to go through this. But if you love Reese's, you will definitely love this recipe. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put the mix into our bowl. There we go. Now the second thing is we're going to put in 2/3 cup of water. And I'm going to use 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And also I'm going to use 2 eggs, slightly beaten. Add to this, and it's going to give it a different flavor, is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. What you're going to do is you're just going to keep mixing this around and keep mixing this up so that way all the ingredients can get all mixed together. Now also don't forget we put a tablespoon of peanut butter in here, so you want to make sure that your peanut butter gets well mixed into this. Now I've mixed up our batter and I've poured it into these little muffin cups. Right here, muffin. Anyways, we're going to put this into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to cook this anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, depending upon your stove. Now, I just took these out of the oven, and these cooked for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this smells wonderful. The whole house smells like peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cups. It smells phenomenal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cool down, and then I'll show you our next step. Now look how wonderful this dessert looks, and I'm going to show you how I did this. I brought this muffin mix because I love Reese's peanut butter. So it's Betty Crocker Reese's Muffin Mix. And what I did was I followed the instructions on the back of the box. Let me move my camera so that way you can see it. Those are the instructions on the back of the box. But what I did was I took 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and I added it into the mixture. Then I baked it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes because it says on the back of the box 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so what I did was when they were done, I took them out of the oven and I put them up here and I let them cool off completely. So now I'm taking the peanut butter, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this peanut butter and you're going to put it onto the muffin like you're doing icing. Like this. And then after that, after you put the icing on the muffin, the peanut butter, we're going to put 6 Reese's Pieces on it. This. 6 Reese Pieces. on it, and I'm going to show you that. Now, all I'm doing is just pressing the Reese Pieces on in. Let me bring my camera over so that way you can see. See that? I'm going to do another orange one. Then a yellow. And then a brown. And that's the way I did them. These are absolutely wonderful. And they smell awesome. And they taste wonderful. So if you love peanut butter and you love the Reese Pieces and stuff, you'll absolutely love this. Now I'm going to do the last one. So I'm just putting the peanut butter on. See that? Okay. As I just go around, you know, just act like you're icing a muffin, like that, with the peanut butter. And then you're going to take 6 of these and just put them in like that. Make sure that you put these in because they'll fall off. So make sure you press down and push them in like that. Now look how good that looks. See that? And this is what they all look like right here. Let me show you. And that's all of them done, all 12. Now what I'm going to do is, since I got this all done, I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about half an hour because I want the peanut butter to get cold, and I also want the pieces and all that, so that way it all, you know, adheres to the muffin. So now I wanted to show you what I used. I used Betty Crocker's Reese's Muffin Mix, and I also used Reese's Pieces Snack Size. Now, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that way every time I come on, you know. I want to thank all the subscribers. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you in the next video. And definitely go and make this. This is really good. The kids will love this. This would be great for the Halloween party if you are going to do something for that, or even just to have this as a dessert.